So hey everybody, this is going to be a wig try on video, and I'm super excited because I teamed up with Elevate Styles again to do this video, and they sent me 2 wigs for you guys. They are both the same kind of wig, the Outre in Play Human Hair Optimics Bundle Edition 360 unit, and this is in the Natural Loose Wave OM Burgundy. Now, I'm kind of upset because this is how the box came to me, and I mean, I get it. I understand shipping can sometimes damage packaging, but this is kind of crazy. It looked like somebody didn't went through the wig. But anyway, so this is a human hair and synthetic blend. So of course you can put heat to this. Let me see. Oh, it has a 13x4 hand-tied lace frontal. But let's see how it looks without me having to do anything, because I really like synthetic wigs if I can just throw them on and go. So let's open this baby up. Okay, so this is just a slide out. It's cute. All right. So this is what it looks like. Y'all know I love me a good ombre burgundy wig, as long as it has dark roots. Okay, so this is what it looks like right here. This is the hairline, and it is pre-plucked somewhat. It is a little tangled, I guess, just from being in the packaging. It's not really shedding, so that's a good thing. And to me, in person, it's a little bit more red than it's showing up on camera. But let's just jump right into it. I'm going to take all these tags and stuff off. Again, this is how she's supposed to look with the natural loose wave. And let's just open this up. Okay, so yeah, so this just basically says the same thing that's on the back of the packaging. I'm really surprised that they didn't send tape. Normally, like with lace wigs from like Outre and stuff, they'll send like tape, and it's usually attached to the, you know, the info, but there's no tape on it. So let's just try her on and see what she looks like without me cutting the lace off first. So I'm going to adjust my straps because I want this to be as secure as possible before trying her on. It does have soft lace. It's not hard lace, so that's also a good thing, and I will show you guys that too. Okay, so again, it has soft lace. It does not have hard lace. And let's just get her on so we can see what she's looking like. Okay. Ooh, this is cute. Hold up. This looks, oh my God, this looks extremely natural. Oh yes, this looks extremely natural. Ooh, Outre? Yes, this looks so good. I'm ready to cut the lace off. So let me just cut this lace off. I'm super excited. Okay, so let's get this extra lace off. Ooh, I'm excited. I don't know why. Oh yeah, I forgot this is a 360. So it has extra lace for in case you want to put it up into a ponytail in the back. But we're going to cut that off. So I'm going to take the unit off for a second. Y'all. Oh my gosh. This unit is so pretty. and you don't have to do anything to it. And if I wanted to, I could pull out some of my hair and blend it in, which is probably what I think I want to do, just so I don't have to glue this down. Let me find a comb. Also, this is something that I would definitely sew down too. Oh man, this is really, really cute, and it's long. I want to say it's about 22 to 24 inches. This is really cute. It just needs to be laid down, I feel like, just on this side. But yes, this is definitely, definitely really, really natural looking. And again, I would definitely have leave out. See how natural that looks when you have leave out? Ooh. This is definitely, definitely bundle edition. For sure. This could definitely go for like a really cute sew-in look, and it's soft. And what I'm going to do is I'm just going to pull my hair back so you guys can see what it would look like if you decided to not have leave out. Like, to me, it looks a little wiggy without having your leave out. But I think if you were to pluck this, it would be super cute. But I do love how natural it looked with the leave out. And I do see this like tangling really, really fast. But oh my gosh, it is so beautiful. Yes. Oh, okay, okay, Outre. Yes, this one is cute. This is the natural loose wave, y'all. I love this. This is cute. Oh, y'all. And it's flat already. I'm going to stand up so you guys can see. I'm really, really impressed. At first, I was like, eh. This is cute. Oh yeah, just excuse my bump. But yeah, this is everything. I literally, again, would have leave out. That's number one. I would definitely have leave out. And I would sew this baby down to my head, because this is gorgeous and it's super soft. It does have that human hair feeling. And the fact that you can restyle. Hello. Oh yes. I love this. I just feel like if I was to sleep in it, it would get really, really tangled. So I do not suggest sleeping in this unit. Oh Lord, y'all. Outre. Outre. This is so cute. Okay, let's try the other one on because it's the exact same kind of wig, but only a different style, texture hair. So let me put this back in the box. Okay, so this one is the deep wave. And I'm excited. So let me pull my hair back into a ponytail, all the hair, actually. Yes, I know my hair is getting long thanks to pregnancy. Pregnancy is a blessing. All right, I'm just gonna leave my hair like this for the moment. All right, let's open this baby up. Again, this one is the deep wave, natural deep wave. And this one is just in natural black. Okay, so I'm feeling the deep wave. This looks exactly like bundles. Exactly like bundles. Ooh, this make me want to sew this to my head right now. I wish I had my paddle brush down here. Oh, goodness. This is gorgeous. And it is a little tangled from being in the packaging. Oh, this is gorgeous. It's so soft. I am so impressed. I'm just running my fingers through it. These units do shed a little bit now that I'm starting to run my fingers through them. But it is cute. And it's full. You don't have to do anything besides maybe pluck your perimeter a little bit if you didn't want to have leave out. But again, I would definitely do leave out. These are gorgeous. Oh my gosh. Outre. These are so pretty. I don't have any cons. Besides the fact that they kind of shed a little bit. These are definitely, it could go for human hair. For sure. The only thing is these tangles, honey. That's the only way you know this is synthetic. Other than that, ooh, this is pretty. I'm gonna stand up again, like 22, 24 inches. This is so pretty. Okay. Let me know what you guys think. I am super impressed. Like, super impressed. I'm going to zoom out. Look how pretty this is. And then imagine if you pluck this. Or you had some leave out. Like this one, you don't have to do anything. Like maybe just flatten this part a little bit. But I am like really impressed. And I keep saying that, but I am. Ooh, child. These are definitely coming out when I have somewhere to go. They getting some right to this head, honey. And of course, I'm going to have my leave out. Look how good that would look with my leave out. Okay, so let me know what you guys think. I definitely give these wigs an A. Definite A. Super easy. You can take them out of the packaging and go. You can sew them down. You can glue them down. You can pluck them. You can part them any way you want. This is a 13x4 frontal. And they're soft. They look like human hair, especially this dark one. Oh, this, ooh, ooh. But the burgundy one, for sure, needs to be combed out. And I would definitely do leave out with that one too. But this is almost like ready to go, like out of the packaging, straight out of the packaging, ready to go. So yes, so I don't have any real cons besides the fact that these tangle real easy and they shed a little bit. But honestly, this is bomb. So I'll leave links for everything down below for you guys if you are interested. Again, I'm just super impressed. So let me know what you guys think, and I'll see you guys in my next video.